so I think Rachel's totally into me.
What makes you say that?
Yeah. Don't you think every girl's into you? Yeah, right. Only hot babes are into me. So Rachel? She's the hottest babe in the dorm room dog. Okay. So what makes you think she's into you? Well, I was walking by a room with my sleeveless tee, and she says, "Could you help me move these boxes into my room?" And I said, "You know I could, baby." I kiss my biceps like the rippling beasts they are. Just like that.
Wait. So you didn't help her move the boxes?
No. She asked me if I could, not if I would.
Dude, I don't think she likes you after that.
No, she likes me. When she sees these sweet pics and these washboard abs, she'll fall head over heels for me.
Hey guys, alright? We're doing a fire drill, okay? Come on.
I gotta do something real quick. Just go without me.
We don't have time.
Just go.
Hey everybody, let's go! Come on, let's go outside everyone. Everyone outside. Outside. Come on, Domino's. Everybody. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can't do it. Where are we going? Outside. There's a fire drill. Go! I'm just kidding. All right, let's go. Everybody's moving, doing a great job. Oh, yes.
Where's Kyle? He's still inside. What's taking him so long? Why are you naked?
What do you mean? I was in the shower when the fire alarm went off.
Jesus. Was this all for Rachel?
What? Dude. I was in the shower watching these rock-hard hammies and hard-born biceps when the fire alarm went off. It's pure coincidence. So I hopped out of the shower, covered my godly firm butt cheeks, and ran my sculpted body out of that building. Have you seen Rachel by any chance?
Cut it out, Kyle. No, I don't see Rachel.
She's got... Oh, hey, counselor. Have you seen Rachel anywhere?
It wasn't a drill. It wasn't the fire. It wasn't a drill. It was real, Rachel. Rachel didn't make it. She died.
Whoa, why didn't she make it?
Apparently there were too many boxes blocking her door.
If only she asked if I would.